the metro rail expansion. To manage our unprecedented growth, we are exponentially expanding our urban backbone. From the existing metro network spanning 71 kilometers, we see the new corridors light up, revealing an expansion of over 160 kilometers. Game Changer 4, transforming connectivity. Bullet train corridors connecting Hyderabad to Bengaluru and Hyderabad to Chennai. And we are establishing a dry port with a 12-lane Greenfield Expressway connecting us seamlessly to the AP seaport. Simple, bold and futuristic trade routes for a globalized economy.
వివిధ రకాల అనుసంధానం, వాయు మార్గం, జల మార్గం, రోడ్డు మార్గం. మార్గం ఏదైనా అందరినీ కలిపేది. వేగంగా, తేజంగా, ధీమంతమై, రేవంతమై సాగుతోంది కమ్యూనికేషన్.
Game Changer 5, solidifying the manufacturing zone between the ORR and RRR as the world's trusted China Plus One alternative. Watch the assembly line of our focus verticals: pharma, data centers, defense, aerospace, electric vehicles, green energy, drones, solar cells, white goods, consumables, durables, textiles and FMCG. Every icon represents a massive investment opportunity. We are building the future, piece by piece.
హరిత శక్తి, సౌరశక్తి, ప్రకృతి పట్ల తెలంగాణకు అమితమైన భక్తి.
Even as we leap into tomorrow, we carry our roots with us. Our progress is built on the strongest foundation, women empowerment. We are committed to skilling and entrepreneurship for 10 million women. See the icons of economic independence. Self-help groups will own EV buses, petrol pumps and premium malls. We provide free bus travel, free rations for 31 million people and rural green housing. This is the vision of collective strength, Telangana's women as the true foundation of our state.
మహిళల్లోని శక్తి సామర్థ్యాలకు పదును పెట్టి, ప్రోత్సహించి, భుజం తట్టి ముందుకు నడిపించి, తల్లుల ఆశీస్సులతో, చెల్లెల అనురాగంతో బస్సుల యజమానులయ్యారు, పెట్రోల్ బంకుల యజమానురాళ్ళయ్యారు.
We honor the back